What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about quasar and the environment. So, environment variables and where that's stored. So, first things first, just looking at the quasar config file. What you really need to know here is boot, which is attached to the boot folder in the src folder, and it is these run on uh, the initial um, run of the application, and they Uh, they're mainly just used for APIs and setting type functionality within the application, like languages and lazy loading, Axios, HTTP requests, currency. So if you have anything you want to run off the boot, this is where it'd be. Pinia, going out later, you have some CSS attached, which doesn't really have anything inside. This is where you can add extras, where you can add fonts or icons. If you want to integrate those, um, your view router history currently set to history. Sorry, view router mode, which is currently set to history. You can have it hash. That's what src capacitor uses, but I would suggest to use history. It looks a lot cleaner. Um, and then the most important thing is this config uh, addition here. The config actually comes from config.js, which basically sets up your port and your domain. This is where you would update that, um, and this is what you would have when you get nowhere, because it also stores environment variables, and you want environment especially if they have API keys. You don't want environment variables to be stored inside of your GitHub, or you don't want your API keys to be stored inside of GitHub. And that's about it. The rest of this stuff I don't even really use, to be honest with you. But if you're going to take a gander at it or use it, you can. Electron's pretty popular. That's about it.